Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove Google account before selling on INFINIX Note 60 Pro. Okay, to remove the Google account, we gotta open up the settings, then scroll down all the way, find users and accounts, and in here tap on your Google account and simply click on remove. Click on remove account. And that's basically all. It's always good to do it before selling our phone, so the next owner avoids factory reset protection lockout. So that's the thing that is worth doing. And that is why it's good before the factory reset, because sometimes during the setup process, the phone may want to verify the user by signing in into the same Google account. So that is why we are avoiding that by removing the Google account from our phone simply, and that's basically all. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.